Chief guest, headmaster sir, teachers, parents, and my dear fellows. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I am Tanvir Thori, standing here to deliver a speech on Republic Day. This is an important and remarkable day for every Indian. On this day in 1950, India got its constitution and become a republic country. From that day, India become a democratic country where every person have their rights to live their lives with dignity. Our constitution declare India a secular country where no religion is given priority and all religions are equal according to the constitution. Fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of the state policy is also given in the constitution. End of untouchability, end of titles is also done in the constitution. Our constitution took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days in making. Our constitution was totally made on 26 November 1949, but it was officially implemented on 26 January 1950. The constitution was officially implemented on 26 January 1950 because on this day in 1929 INC declared complete independence for India, and to give some priority to this day, INC and Nehru decided to implement constitution on this day and declare this day as Republic Day. Our constitution was made by a committee of 299 members. The permanent president of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Sachinanand Sinha. The first deputy president of the Constituent Assembly was Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, and the temporary deputy president of the Constituent Assembly was Frank Anthony. The constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly was B.N. Rao. The farmer of our constitution envisioned an India that would uphold the principles of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. As we raise our tricolor high today, let's reflect on how far we have come from and recommit ourselves to these noble ideals. Our democracy is not merely a system of governance, it is a way of life. It empowers each citizen to contribute to the growth and the prosperity of our great nation. Today recommit ourselves to the principle that define us as a nation. Let's strive for a society where justice prevails, liberty is cherished, equality is a reality, fraternity binds us together. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that the flame of democracy continues to illuminate our path towards a brighter future. In conclusion, as we celebrate our 75th Republic Day, let's pledge to be an active participant in the shaping destiny of our beloved nation. May the tricolor always fly high, symbolizing the unity, diversity, and the indomitable spirit of India. Jai Mother of India.